Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm really excited to share with you the updated SOP for TCS Wings1 Digital. Whether you are new to T or looking to know the latest changes, this video will definitely guide you through everything you need to know. And please, I request you to watch till the end of this video so you won't lose any detail. Without wasting any more time, let's dive right in. And these are the points that we are about to cover in this video, like what are the eligibility criteria and the updated SOP, the new things which were updated, and the prerequisite courses and cutoff dates, and eligibility rank openings for digital. While coming to the eligibility, any associate with this respective grades were eligible to attend digital Wings1 exams like YYG, YD, C1, C1Y, CS1, and BPO1 and BPO2. And the minimum criteria would be like if they have any appraisal band, that should be A or B, and any anniversary rating, that should be 4 or more. So the associate should be of that grade, and they should have these appraisal or anniversary rating in this criteria. And associate with experience less than 1 year are also eligible, so they would be considered as trainees and they can give an attempt to write Wings1. And the people who are on bench and don't have any band or rating, just you comment on your queries. I mean, you are also eligible, but you will definitely have some queries to know. So coming to the updated SOP part. So from this cycle, we got to know a new term called unit specific tracks. So they said they have updated the courses as per the unit or PG requirements, as per the project requirements. So they had a very good list of the tech tracks that are available for different unit or BG groups. So you can avail the list of courses from iEvolve that was mentioned in the the course IDs 15205 or 15206. So those tracks were updated. So you can pick any of the track from your unit or BG specific. Those course IDs were available in iEvolve. The course ID is 80840. So that course will redirect you to some SharePoint folder. So all the course lists were available in that course. And if you have already started preparing for any other track which is not part of your unit or BG specific, you can still appear for that track for one last time in this November cycle. Like example, let's say you have already started preparing for T1, but unfortunately that T1 is not part of your unit or BG. So don't worry, you can still give an exam in that T1 only for this November cycle as a one last attempt, and you need to clear that with a distinction. And this unit or BG specific tracks, these new updated SOP will be strictly considered from the next cycle, which will be 2025 May. Okay, and these are the course IDs we have. For IT it's 15205 and for ITIS it's 15206. You can go through those certification IDs. I think they would be auto-populated in your iEvolve, My Learning and certifications. So you can go through those course IDs and you can find the track which you want to complete. You can start learning or you can give a direct assessment and you can clear them as part of your prerequisites. So one should complete prerequisite courses for the chosen track on or before their cutoff dates. So that is very important. I think you might be aware of the paths that are available in the courses. So there will be two paths. One path will comprise of the learning material and assessment. And the second path will have a direct assessment, like any one of you might already have a very good idea over that technology, so can directly go for the direct assessment path and can clear and can attain their prerequisite competency. So you can do learning and give an assessment as well. So that's up to you. So in this cycle, we have cutoff dates, two different cutoff dates. One regarding the unit specific courses and other regarding non-unit specific courses, like the track what you have selected to attend for the Wings1 digital exam. So we have one date for that, and the track, if that's not part of your BG, we have a different date. Like let's say if you have selected T1 and T1 is part of your unit or BG specific track list, so you can complete that course on or before 5th of October 2024. So if the course what you have selected is not part of your unit or BG track sheet, so you need to complete it by 10th September 2024. I think we have around 3 weeks of time to complete that, and this will be only entertained for this November cycle, just one last attempt. Okay, so we need to complete this before cutoff dates. So the prerequisite courses can be, that the competency completion can be captured in iEvolve, and that will make you to eligible to attend the Wings1 exam. The competencies should be gained before these cutoff dates, so that will make us eligible to attend the exam. And this is the track combination for digital. So we have a kind of 3 steps. So in the first one, there are the mandatory courses which you need to complete them. So the mandatory course comes with domain learning completion. This is you need to take up any domain learning which are available. Last tab you can find some domain learning. So you can go through any of the domain and complete them, a normal iEvolve assessment. And articulation or pass or distinction is mandatory to complete this cycle. That's also part of a combination. So for articulation, a pass or distinction is mandatory. In step 1, we just have a full stack tech track. We should attain distinction in that. And in step 2, we have a lot of items. We can pick any one of them. No, you can complete, you can take up a full stack tech track, and you can, a pass or distinction is enough. A pass is also enough if you take up a full stack tech track in step 2. And for non-tech tracks which comes as business skills or process, you need to attain distinction. That's mandatory. Or you can go with any unit director certification, which could be your internal or any external. So you can go with any one of these things in the step 2. So these 3 courses, these 3 assessments should be cleared to attain a proper valid combination for digital. And these are some of the FAQs. I might be got an idea. Like if you have already completed any track completion historically, those will stay intact even if it is a part of your unit or BG, or even if it's not part. If you have already completed any tech track for your step 1, that will stay intact and that is valid as well. So you need to focus on the other steps to complete. And associate who recently got into project and don't have any rating or band yet, or you are also eligible to take up Wings. So system will allow you. And the last point is the the percentile thing, a pass or a distinction. We'll generally have what's the pass or distinction percentage rate. So this is the snapshot what I have got from the SOP, which is available in Nomi community. You can go through that. You should get some 50 percentile for pass, and for distinction it's a 75 percentile. Okay, only this it's a valid number. So I think you can understand this easily. And if you do have any further doubts or anything struck your mind, you can just comment down below. I can answer them as for my knowledge, and or I'll try to get some idea from any other or from the team. And then thanks for watching. If you're new to this community, please do subscribe. Thank you so much.